The Shark IQ robot would self-empty. Let's empty this box. Hey friends, welcome to Quest for Tech, where every day is a quest to find the newest technology and video games.
With us being a new channel, we really appreciate your support. So do us a favor and like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And here we go.
Hey friends, today we have the Shark IQ robot vacuum with the self-empty base. It's Wi-Fi and home mapping, and on Shark's website it's on sale for $5.99. This Shark IQ combines the convenience of self-empty base plus the IQ navigation total home mapping for complete efficient cleaning with the performance of Shark suction and self-cleaning brush roll. And it works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Now let's go ahead and get this unboxed.
Alright, so we are super excited to finally get this in. The Shark IQ robot with the self-empty base. This is a big, huge box, so I think it has a lot of goodies in it. This box probably weighs like 10 pounds, easy. Alright, so it looks like on the first thing we got Shark IQ robot, self-empty, quick start guide. Looks pretty cool. We like a good presentation and boxing, and $600 vacuum, it definitely shows. So nice box, Shark. First we got the quick start guide right here. Constant state of clean, that's what we're going for. Alright, so what do we have next? Let's see. So this is place dock on mat for use. So this is the mat that we're gonna place the dock on. So this looks nice if you guys have a hardwood floor or even carpet. Looks like you can place this on carpet. So that's pretty useful. So let's see what's next. Nice little frisbee. And I think this is the Shark IQ robot. This is it. Nicely wrapped up. Has a little bit of weight to it. I think it's about 8 to 10 pounds right here. So next, looks like we have some more cardboard, and the self-empty base is down here. So let's see if we can get this thing out. And that is the other part of the weight of the box. So here's the self-empty base. Alright, so under the self-empty base we have this is the boundary. So this is like the little magnetic strip that you can put down. Put it on your rug or floor or whatever, and the Shark IQ will not pass this area. So it gives you a bunch of boundary tape. And I think now it'll be a little bit easier to take this out. Or not. And there we go. Let's get rid of that. And that is a self-empty base. So let's get this plastic off and see what we got again. Nice. Oh, it's nicely taped up at the bottom too. Floor mat out. Nice and shiny. Tell you what, this is all looking very, very high quality so far. Very nice box presentation, Shark. I mean, we're suckers for nice boxes and presentation. If you're spending good money on a product, it's definitely nice to see a box, a nice box, and having a true unboxing experience, even if you don't film it. All right. So last but not least, in the bag, let's get out the IQ. All right. So here's our robot vacuum, all nice. See, they put film all over the top, all over the sensors in the front, and everything's free to peel away. Everything looks nice. Let's give it the smell test. Smells like brand new tech. Nothing smells better. Please don't make fun of me in the comments, but we love how new tech smells. Alright.
He loves how new tech smells.
Okay. Brand new Shark. All the stickers off. Much smaller brush than the Samsung, but it's cool that it has these little dust things to kind of feed everything into the mouth. So along with your brushes, that will also help with that. So really nice. Best result set on a hard floor. If carpet, place Shark mat under it for improved stability. So that's definitely what this is for. And if you have a carpet, Shark gives you this to place it on your carpet. Yeah, this stand definitely has a little weight to it for sure. Say maybe about 5 to 8 pounds maybe. Alright, so it looks like we got all of our stickers off of it. Oh, so this is to remind you to plug your cord in here. Alright, so just to go through a quick tour of the Shark IQ robot. Up top, here you have the camera so it can see anything that's going above it to maneuver around. This is the clean and dock button, so you have a few ways to make the robot operate. One, you can use your voice by setting up Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. 2, you can use the app and start it cleaning or set a schedule from your phone. Or 3, you can just hit the clean button, and if you want it to dock, after you hit the clean button, you can hit dock and it'll go back to its base and dock. So around the front, this is like your infrared sensor, so it will use this to help map an area of your house and maneuver through it without hitting stuff, hopefully. Has a little bumper here, so if it does tap something, the bumper kind of pushes it in so it doesn't really, hurt itself. This is where you have your power switch, your on and off right there. And then back here is your base. Here's where all your debris goes into. And the self-empty base will suck all this out for you. So you shouldn't have to do this much. Underneath, you have obviously your wheels. This is the one that turns. These are forward, backward. These are your brushes that spin, pushing all the debris and dust and dirt into the mouth here. And these are your self-cleaning brushes. These are supposed to self-clean themselves so you don't have to pick like a bunch of hair or fuzzies off of it. So we'll definitely test that and see if that works and let you know in our full review. And that is about it. Alright, so there you have it, the Shark IQ robot with the self-empty base. With everything unboxed, again on the left you have the mat recommended if you're using carpet for you to sit the mat down and put the base on top of the mat. Then you have the Shark IQ robot right on the front, and it is on its base, on the self-empty base. You also get the power cable and a bunch of bot boundaries which will keep the robot from going in places you don't want it to go to.
Alright friends, that's everything out of the box for the Shark IQ robot vacuum. We're going to go ahead and get this all set up and get working on our review video for you guys. So don't forget to hit the subscribe and hit that bell notification so that way you're notified when we have that review video up. Thanks for watching everybody. Have a great day and never stop questing.